Hello kids, welcome to Soaring Kids TV. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 10 numbers, okay? This is number 1. Let's write with finger, okay? Very good. This is number 1. What number comes after 1? Yes, 2. 2 comes after 1. Write with me with finger. Okay. This is number 2. What number comes after 2? 3. Yes. Write with finger, curve line, again curve line. This is number 3. What number comes after 3? Yes, number 4. Write with finger, slanting line, sleeping line, and a standing line. This is number 4. Okay. This is number 5. Write with finger, sleeping line, standing line, and a curve line. This is number 5 यानी 5. 5 के बाद बच्चों कौन सा नंबर आता है? What number comes after 5? Yes, 6. Okay. Write with finger. Very good. This is number 6. What number comes after 6? 6 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है बच्चों? 7. Write with finger, sleeping and slanting. This is number 7 यानी 7. What number comes after 7? 8. 8 number comes after 7. Write with finger. Very good. This is number 8. यानी 8. What number comes after 8? 9. 9 comes after 8. 8 के बाद बच्चों नंबर 9 आता है. Okay? Very good. What number comes after 9? Number 10. 1 and 0. 1 and 0 make 10 number. Okay? This is number 10. 10 comes after 9. Okay. चलिए फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Okay. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.